Hi, I'm Courtney and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we'll be making chimmy chicken meatballs with spaghetti. This one pot dish is like comfort food, but a little bit lighter. It's got the herbaceousness of our chimichurri, and of course it's lightened up with chicken as opposed to your usual beef in spaghetti and meatballs. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to try, be sure to subscribe to see our future recipe videos when they drop. All right, let's get started. So today we're using a Dutch oven to do all of our cooking. We've already cooked our spaghetti in our Dutch oven and it's been drained and tossed with a little bit of olive oil so that it doesn't stick while we move on to our next steps. For our ingredients, we have ground chicken, we've got breadcrumbs, we've got an egg, and our chimichurri, of course, and we're going to bring all that together and form about 12 or so meatballs that are golf ball size. So once our meatballs are cooked through, we will take them back out of the pan, throw in our spinach, and give it a quick saute. Once it's fully cooked down, we'll add our meatballs and our spaghetti back to the pot, and we'll cook all of it together, and we'll garnish it all with some parm and a little lemon zest. All right, let's get cooking. So we're going to add a quarter pouch of chimmy to our ground chicken. And this is going to lay the base of our beautiful herbs in our dish. We'll throw in some salt, season pretty liberally. And we'll throw in our breadcrumbs and one egg. The breadcrumb and the egg, I feel like really do make a difference in terms of the binding of the meatball, but I also find that it just makes for like a slightly lighter, fluffier meatball eating experience. Okay. So now I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just rub that on my hands, and it'll help us form really even meatballs, and it won't stick so much to our hands. A reminder that when you're making your meatballs, the goal is not to overform them or overhandle them. You just want to get them sort of gently combined and into a cohesive shape. And it's important that you get even balls for even cooking. Alrighty, so we've got our meatballs all rolled out. We've got 14 of them here, and I've got my Dutch oven preheating behind me. So let's move on over to the stove. So we've got our spaghetti with our chimmy chicken meatballs, and now we're just gonna plate. So there you have it, our beautiful, very simple to make chimmy chicken meatballs with spaghetti. We topped our finished dish with a little bit of grated parm and some fresh lemon zest, and it just helps brighten up the meal and kind of brings it all together. My hope is that you will enjoy this recipe as much as we did. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see our future recipe videos. For the full recipe and textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, cook happy.